What's up, everybody? It's finally here, the new DeWALT DXL system. Vince was out shopping the coolest tool deals this weekend. You can check it out in this video up over here. And he brought me back a little present. So I know you guys had a ton of questions. I have a ton of answers, and we'll get to all of that right after this. But if you want to help out the channel, first head on over to the merch store. Go get some t-shirts, hoodies, hats, ton of cool stuff over there. Link will be in the description below. Welcome back, everybody. This is Jim, and I am getting my first look at this unit as well. So let's I want to open it up, play around with it a little bit, see what can fit, what can't fit, and how we can kind of configure this thing and how I would normally use it.
Yeah, before you get started though, the very cool gang had a whole bunch of questions that they want answers to. And in this video, I'm holding you accountable to answer their questions, like the critical debug. And DK Wozler wants to know, at some point, maybe later in the video, you're kind of angry.
I just got it. I want to check it out. You're already hitting me with questions. I just got it. I want to play with it and see what's going on here first. I mean, it looks like
we'll have the answers. We're not letting him get away with this.
Oh, no. I think I'd be proud to give the answers on this, because just from first glances at this, build quality seems very good to me. I mean, they market this as a premium quality. It looks great to me. I mean, I'm going to play around with this a little bit first and see what's going on. It looks like Vince picked up the full 5-piece kit for me. It's got the bottom dolly, deep drawer unit, 2 deep drawer units, dividers in here. Set this up a couple different ways. A couple shallow drawers, dividers, and the worktop. Worktop also operates as the push cart. Got some drink holders on here, tool holders. You know what I really like on this is these wheels here. They look like—
Funny you mentioned the wheels. Henry Swanson had a question over 12 days ago. You didn't even answer him. He says 4 casters. It's going to be like pushing an IKEA shopping cart around with this thing. It's going to be like pushing an IKEA shopping cart. Now, Henry Swanson, I don't shop at IKEA, so I don't know exactly what you mean, but—
Well, I mean, here's the deal. One, I like being able to move this unit any which way I have to navigate through tight spaces. But also, if you needed to, you could lock the yellow casters back here to a 90-degree.
Wait a minute, you're saying that all 4 of these wheels rotate. Like, if I'm trying to roll down a hallway, I'm gonna veer off to the left or the right. Henry Swanson wants to know if he's gonna drive through IKEA with this thing,
okay,
how is he not gonna smash into the $2 sectionals that they're selling over there?
Lock the back wheel straight.
Okay, well then show him how to do that, because I don't believe you can. We know you're a fanboy and you just want to show DeWALT in the best light.
Look, real easy. All I had to do—
Yeah, it worked real good, Jim.
All I had to do was step on the lock back there, and it locks the back wheels.
Wait.
Go ahead.
Wow. What do you—
Go ahead.
So you're saying we were able to cut donuts?
Yeah, cut them all.
With the DXL.
Cut them all.
Maybe DeWALT DXL stands for donut.
Donut extra large.
Extra large.
And then these
Front wheels, do those lock too?
When you lock these, it just locks the whole unit down in place now. Now you can't move it at all. So you can lock the yellow wheels straight.
Henry Swanson.
Sorry, Henry.
Sorry, what? It's not like an IKEA.
I got an answer for you. And they're real easy. I mean, it's got a separate off for the casters as well. So it's real easy to get the locks on and off on this unit. So like a kid on Christmas, I'm interested to like unwrap my toys here and figure out how I could reorganize and resituate things. So how would I normally, fit this out? I'd probably put some bigger tools.
How big though? Lord Richard 8184 says, the 400-pound rating for the dolly sounds low. I would really like to see a rating over 1,000 pounds. This way, you can use the dolly for other things and not worry about overloading it. 400 to 500 pounds goes fast.
Yeah, I mean, it could go fast, but I mean, let's load it up. See what we got. I got some of my SDS hammer drill. Let me grab, I have recip saw back here. Take the batteries off, because I'd probably put the batteries in a different compartment or something. Here's a recip saw. That fits in the box there. Got a giant 15 amp hour battery on here. Oh, no, that's, let's see if I turn it this way. No. Circular saw is a little too high, so maybe you're not going to be able to roll around with your circular saw in here. But, see some other tools. Grinder. Oscillating multi-tool. I'd probably have my impact driver up here on the tool cart. I think that's where, you know, that's probably what I'm using most. I'd keep that up there. See if my little circular saw fits in there. Yeah, guess what? If I wanted to, I just fit it out with this circular saw. So if you can see in here, this bottom drawer, I have it kind of packed out already with a recip saw, an oscillating multi-tool, an SDS, grinder, and a little handheld a little mini circular saw.
Hey Jim, what about this nailer?
Whoa! Yeah, let me see.
Will it fit?
Probably fit a nailer. Here's the given dividers. Oh, well, I don't even have to take the dividers out. And it fit right in the middle. Fit a nailer in there. Little recip saw. So I can fit all these tools in here, but these drawers up top I'd probably want to segregate, so this is where I'd probably use the dividers. It looks like they...
Jim, you need a knife?
Oh, yeah. Thank you. I think they give you enough dividers for both drawers in this one drawer. So, and again, I'm just doing this for the first time myself, so let's see how easy these are to... Oh, they pop right in, real easy.
Speaking of installing these yourself, Critical Debug says, unfortunately, I don't think this system will be as affordable like TSTAK. Such a coincidence that DeWALT realized a need for 30-inch drawers when I decided to build my own system out of wood. What do you have to say about that? Why would somebody buy something like this when you could just build it out of wood?
You can build anything out of wood, but this...
Can you build a nuclear reactor out of wood? Can you build a Cybertruck out of wood?
Actually, you can. Somebody actually did it.
Do you have visual... I don't think you have proof of that.
I don't know. You have to go look it up.
Okay, well, back to the system here.
It's already pre-made for you. Everything, I mean, plus if it's made out of wood...
Is it as affordable as TSTAK?
No, it's more expensive than TSTAK.
Why is that? Why would it be?
It's a premium product.
It's all DeWALT. Why is it more expensive? Why is this more expensive? DeWalt's trying to get over again on its consumers. Why is this more expensive than TSTAK?
It's a premium product with more options and more features. And on top of that...
Is it more rugged?
And if you build...
Is it more rugged?
I think it's definitely more. It's certainly more rugged. It's certainly more rugged. It's built more rugged. The casters are more rugged.
Sure?
Yes.
How can you be so sure?
And if you build it out of wood, then you're set with the way you make it. This is, you could change it. I could keep the dividers in here. I could take the dividers out. If I want to set this up to put hand tools in it.
Why? Are we running out of rainforest? Can't we just get more wood and customize our wood system?
Yeah, you could build as many wood systems as you want, but why would I build 100 different systems when I could just reconfigure this in a bunch of different ways? If I want to put my dividers in, I'll put my dividers in, and I could put different things in here like blades, bits, screws, other things that I would want to divide up. Now, I'm curious to see, like, if I don't want it set up as a push cart system, though, like, what are the other configurations? So I want to kind of break this down a little bit and see now if I was taking this on a job.
You seem like you're glossing over the addition of these dividers. It seemed like it was probably cumbersome and you didn't want to elaborate how to do it.
No, it's really, really simple, actually. Like I said, I mean, these just pop.
Is there any nuance to it?
No, you just slide the back in here, pop the front in, and boom, it locks in to the little pre-cut holes here, and done. Same thing with these side dividers, just slide them in, real easy. There's a very distinct top and bottom to them. The bottoms are notched out.
Oh, so what are you saying? They've idiot-proofed it? Are you calling me an idiot?
I'm not calling you an idiot, but if somebody's coming from a different tool brand and they're just getting wise now, they've made it pretty simple for you.
You DeWALT guys, real smug.
So what are some other ways to configure this? I mean, it's great as a push cart with a worktop. I love that idea, but it's already on the job and now it's stationary. What else could I do with it as a workstation? That's what I'm interested to see. So all these boxes.
Here's the question from Rob's Tools and Tech.
Okay.
Okay? And I like Rob. So you give him a straight.
I like Rob.
You're saying you like this on the job site.
Yeah.
But how would you get it on the job site? This thing's huge. Okay? It says, is there a way to take this up and down steps?
Yeah, just like you would take any other system up and down steps, break it down into smaller pieces. This easily comes apart. I mean, this is obviously set up in this way. You'd want to put it on like an elevator or something, but if you need to carry it up and down steps, you're gonna have to break it down like you would break down your other systems. And it's very simple to break down.
Brian McFarland says, hi guys. So how would you use this system where stairs are involved? So maybe a little bit more in depth.
I'll break it down.
What was that old DeWALT dolly system where you could slide the boxes out without stacking, which I like?
Love the DS carrier.
Seems like that was the best overall system, all metal, heavy duty dolly with big wheels. No need to unstack the boxes.
No, the DS carrier is great, and in its applications, it's great, but this isn't competing with the DS carrier. This is a mobile workstation, not just a tool carrying system. You could, I mean, yeah, you could use it as a tool carrying system, but it's also a worktop. It's a daily cart. It's a lot more than just a tool carrying system. But yes, the DS carrier was great. We still use them all the time. And the best part is these drawers open and close, so you don't have to unstack them to get to your tools while it's on the job. But Brian, if you wanted the best of both worlds, you could set this up with your 2.0 system boxes, and I got a special test for you guys as well to see what else might work with this. Top comes off real easy, clips in the front, slides in the back. Now, if I wanted to put my 2.0 system on here, all I have to do, lock this in sideways, clips right into your system. Easy. Now, the 2.0 boxes work on this. I have an old 1.0 box. I want to see if that works on it. Yeah, look. 2.0 and 1.0. Backwards compatible, all the way to the original. Now let's see. Set this up on top, and we can lock that in. So now you could actually lock your 2.0 and your 1.0 box in sideways with more drawers on top if you wanted this to be more of a tool carrying system.
Yeah, but now you got to take this top box off to put these and get in here.
Right, but
wouldn't it be better to use maybe 2.0 drawers?
Yeah, I mean.
Why didn't you?
Because I don't have them. Not yet. I gotta go get them. See if we can fit some TSTAK on here. I got TSTAK adapter on the bottom. Some of my organizers on here. Slide it in the back. Clips real nice on the front. So now I have my TSTAK system on here as well. With a the whammy bit kit on top. Put my lights up here. If I'm on a job at night or low light situation, you have this clip in the back. You just acts just like the back piece here for these half pieces. You slide it in, clip the front down. I can have my lights up here. I mean, there's a million different ways to set this up. Really, it all depends on how many pieces you have. Let's see, I could put some crates up top if I wanted to. Bigger, full-size 1.0 crate. That fits on there. See if these 2.0 half crates do. I mean, yeah, it's just as many configurations as you could think of, you could essentially do here.
The light goes on top, doesn't it?
Yeah, the light, you could snap the light in to the system. You could snap the light directly to the cart, or you could put the light on this box as it came. The only thing...
So I have a question. Are you saying that because this is here, now this charger box will not fit because of that handle? What do you do with that? How does that even work? Will this even go in here now? Like, what's going on here? What is that?
Well, you're not under the back there and you have the cord underneath.
Why don't they have better cord management then?
So that's first of all. And then you can, actually you would have to know. Because that doesn't, does that lift up?
Hold on, hold on.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, takes the Milwaukee guy to figure out the DeWALT system.
So it slides forward, slide it back. That's sweet. And so now I have 2 crates, my lights, my battery box. I mean, again, I can't tell you. This is like the coolest thing in the world. I really am like a kid on Christmas. This is the coolest thing in the world. I love tool management, tool storage, and it's a mobile workstation with a worktop. There's so many different things I could think to do with this. I can't wait to get it on a job site.
On a job site though, literally DK Walzer says, this system probably works well if you're working off a concrete or plywood floors, but I'd hate to try and wheel that dolly from my truck across a dirt lot before the driveway has been installed. How are those wheels?
They're pretty rugged casters. I mean, they're made to go over.
Let's see it.
You got some rough terrain in here?
We got plenty of rough terrain outside, don't we?
All right, let's wheel it outside.
Okay. Let's let you wheel it outside. It's your system.
I guess that settles that.
Listen. I think that Juan Pedraza says it best. Looks like everyone has copied Milwaukee Tool. Everyone has copied Milwaukee Tool time and time again, and DeWalt's done it with this DXL system. What do you have to say about that?
This system's better. Milwaukee has nothing like this system. As a matter of fact, no tool brand out there has anything like this system. So, if you have any other questions, please leave them down in the comments below. We can make another video. It's been a pleasure going through everything on this brand new system. I can't wait to get it on the job site, and I can't wait to see you all on the next one.
The gang out!
The gang out!